Dear students, I am Akhtaruzaman. I am an English teacher of Satyendra Surmankar High School. At this moment, I am to conduct my class on English first part from EFT for the students of class 9 and 10. And today's my lesson will be conducted from Unit 13, Lesson 2 from your EFT. So my dear students, certainly you are following, you are noticing some logo on the board. You are noticing some logo on the board. My dear students, you are to be so much attentive to find out the real name or real activities of this logo. Dear students, certainly we have noticed for a while, and at this moment I am to ask to you, what are these logos? These logos, surely you can certainly say that this logos is one time of social media, social servicing system, and another is one type of social media, that is social servicing system. The name of first logo is Facebook and the name of second logo is Twitter. So my dear students, I want to declare my today's lessons topic or title, that is social network service. Social network service. Social network service. So at this moment I am to conduct my lesson or class on this topic. So my dear students, if you want to know about this topic, you must have to go through the topics very clearly, very properly at first. So I will give some time to go through the topics very clearly and attentively. Certainly, after reading or after going through the topics, you must have to you must have to know about the topics or summary of this topics or lesson. Dear students, this lesson indicates what is the facilities of internet technology. The lesson or the topics deals with internet technology or internet opportunity, provides such type of opportunities for the people of the world to create social intimacy, social relationships among the world. This lesson indicates another item, that is a lot of social networking service are available in around. I want to mention among them Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, LinkedIn, and so on. And these models or these topics deals with about the great benefit of using internet technology. This lesson, these topics deals with about great opportunities. That is, today we are living in a global world. It means when certainly the people of a village live in a village, at that moment they can easily conduct or meet with each other within short moments or times. They can communicate, they can fulfill their desires with each other. like at this moment, today's world has been just at its position, just at that position. If we want to desire to communicate, if we want to desire to meet, if we want to desire to send or receive any pictures, any information and so on, it is very clearly, it is very clearly, it is very rapidly possible to create any relationships, to send or receive or to know about the details of the persons who are living at the farthest corner of the world. So this is called the global village. This is called, today's world is a global village. Now at this moment I want to deal about the topics. These topics deals about many things. Today's world has accepted, has given such type of facilities. The facilities has provided internet technology. This internet technology has been so much widespread. Main cause of it, this internet technology sometimes or at a maximum level is cost free, and anyone through these topics, through these internet facilities, can anyone himself or herself can show or can display him or her in the total world very easily. This is internet technology, this is social service media. By this process one can upload any pictures or any information. This is internet technology. By this help, by this media, one can communicate with each other. One can do something with the help of multimedia content, and it is all type of facilities provider that keep all sorts of privacy, and it is possible to protect any privacy from this media. So I want to discuss about these topics in detail, but before discussing the topics, dear students, you must have to know some new words or some vocabulary, which vocabularies are so much important or so much uncommon to you. Dear students, I want to write down some vocabulary on the board. Dear students, you must have to write down that. Number one vocabulary, emerge. Emerge. Next, facilitate. Facilitate. Next, interact. Interact. Next, expand. Expand. Next, present. Next, dedicate. Dear students, I have written down some vocabulary on the board. Dear students, you must have to find out the meaning of these words. Emerge. Emerge. Come out. The meaning of emerge, the synonym of emerge is come out. Facilitate. Facilitate. To make easy. To make easy. Interact. To make mutual relationships. Expand. Express. The synonym of expand is express. Present. Present. the meaning present, the meaning of present, offer, dedicate, the meaning of dedicate, sacrifice. So I have written down some vocabulary. You are to, of course, remember the meaning of this vocabulary. Now at this moment, dear students, I want to say some things about social networking system. Social networking system or service are so much available, and through these networking service or systems, we want to send or receive any sorts of news, information, message or anything. So Facebook, Google Plus, Twitter, LinkedIn these are available social networking service. Through this social networking service, anyone can communicate, anyone can take or receive any information, photos, and anyone he or she desires is possible to create or receive from any farthest corner of the world. So, dear students, if you want to conduct any suitable reception, if you want to receive any good learning from any lessons, then you must have to ask the following questions. Particularly, this lesson is so much important because if you want to desire wholeheartedly, desire precisely, desire very clearly about this topic, you are to answer this following question. Now at this moment, dear students, I am to write down some short question on the board. Number one short question: what do you mean by social network? Number one question, number one. Number one questions I have written down on board. What do you mean by social network service? Dear students, can you guess what I have written down on the board, and can you receive my questions what I have written down on the board? What do you mean by social networking systems or service? Social networking service is that system or service by the process it is possible to create any sorts of, any types of relationships among the world's people. That is, social networking system or services that process, by the help of this process is possible to make any relationships, to make any intimacy with the people of the whole world. Number two questions. Prove it. We are living in a global village. Number two question. Prove it. We are living in a global village. Number two question. Certainly you have noticed this question. Number two, prove it. We are living in a global village. Can anyone answer this question? Actually, living in a village is so much common to the people of Bangladesh, because Bangladesh is a village. Bangladesh is a country of village based. So living in a village means to communicate with each other very often and very easily, and not only communicate, we can meet with each other when we desire to meet or communicate with them. So it is not possible, it is not needed a lot of time and a lot of difficulties to make or to create any relationships with others. So today's world is the same type of village, so it is called the global village. We are saying this world is a global village because we are living in a farthest corner of a country, we are living in a farthest corner of a country or village. But if we desire to communicate or if we want to interest, to make friendship with each other who are living at the farthest corner of the world, we easily and very rapidly can communicate with each other. So not only communicate, we also meet and we also send our message, we also send our pictures and any other things with each other who are living with the farthest corner of the world. So this is called today's world is today's world is a global village. So I want to give write down the number 3 questions. What are some uses of social networks? Number 3 questions. What are the uses of social networks? What are the uses of social networks? I want to say about these questions, that is, it is so much important to use social networks because anyone can, if he or she desires to upload any pictures or any information from globally, it is possible to do that type of things by the help of social networks. Not only that, it is helpful to make any multimedia content by the help of social networks. It is not only that, by the help of social networks, any persons of the farthest corner can share or can make friendships and can share his or her sufferings, joys, merriment and so on with each other who are living at the farthest corner of the world. By the help of social networks, one can know about the other people's, countries, economy, social, geography and what's up daily activities and so on. Not only that, by the help of social networks, one can make friendships with each other. Not only that, it is so much important for using social networks. By the help of social networks, it is possible to know the action of life of the people of the other nation or other countries. So at this moment, I am to write down the next question: why social networks are expanding so fast? Next question: why social networks are expanding so fast? Next questions, I am to give its reply. Why social networks are expanding so fast? Having a lot of reason behind these questions, because social networks are expanding so fast. Because by the help of social networks, one can use these networks at a large scale without cost or at a large scale cost-free level. By the help of social networks, one can highlight, one can present himself or herself in the entire world within short times very easily or not facing any difficulties. By the help of social networks, one can communicate with the people of the world. One can make any audio video from the websites from the different culture of the world. By the help of social network service or systems, one can keep his or her privacy. These are the questions. Now at this moment, I am to repeat these questions. Number one question, what do you mean by social networking service? Also I have told something about this question. Next question, number two, we are living in a global village. I have also given its a proper answer. Number three question, what are the uses of social networks? Social networks, how many users having? I also provided the answer of it. Next question, why social networks are expanding so fast? Social networks are expanding so fast. Why its reason? I have also given its answers. Now at this moment, dear students, I want to give some information about grammatical position that is regarding or related to these topics. In these topics, having some italic words. Dear students, this is italic words. Do you know why these types of words are used in these topics? We generally know that about italic words, that is, by the use of italic words, we can make sequence with any topic, any tales or any story. Some italic words may be firstly, secondly, thirdly, fourthly, fifthly, and so on, and finally. These are some italic words. In this topic has been used some italic words so that the topic can get its real position, so that the topics get its accurate sequence. So we want to use italic words for maintaining the sequence of story or tale or any sorts of passage. So my dear students, I want to close my lesson at this moment because, dear students, you are not able to take part in taking any part from going or sending their children to any academic institutions because of serious virus COVID-19. As a result, online cable system education level has provided a lot of facilities to the learners who at this moment are staying at this home. So my dear learners, you must have to learn that never waste your time, to be serious about your time and give a lot of value, give proper value of your time. Thanks a lot. In my next class, I will meet with you.